Hey there, my name is Russ Horn and I'm a currency trader. I trade the Forex markets and I teach other people how to trade the Forex markets. Now, this video is to alert you to other Russ Horns. There is a scam going around perpetuated by several people, I think, calling themselves Russ Horn. Now, if anybody contacts you, whether it's Russ Horn or on behalf of Russ Horn, and they're asking you for money to open up a trading account, asking you for money for whatever it is, it's a scam. It's not me. If you get asked by a Russ Horn to send them money, make sure that you get a video conference. Make sure you get them to record a very specific video for you, something like that. And if they don't look like this guy, then it's not Russ Horn and you don't do it. Don't send these people money at all. I've been around the Forex business for a little while, so I do kind of have a name in the industry. Now, there are several other traders that are being impersonated as well. Now, with these ones, if they are not willing to send you a video and ask you, through a video or through a video conference or something like this, then do not fall for it. Forex is a place where you can make a lot of money really fast. It is possible to do this. And a lot of new traders are frustrated and they don't have the time, they don't have the discipline to put in the effort to become a great trader. Now, my job is to help you become a great trader. I want to educate you so that you can grow that account, so that you can build your future. Now, I do not solicit money from you. I will not be asking you to put it into a trading account. I will not be asking you to transfer funds to wherever that it's going. Just don't do it. If somebody called Russ Horn or any of these other traders are not willing to provide a video, do a video conference or anything like this, don't do it. Now, I don't do this kind of thing at all. So any kind of question that you're going to get through Facebook, through email, through whatever chat kind of messenger service, however they're getting a hold of these people, it's not me and it's not anybody that I work with. So if you get a message saying that I would like to trade for you, I will trade on your behalf, yada yada, just don't do it. If they don't look like this guy, then it's not me, and stay away. Just don't do it. It's a scam.